Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel how to learn. So still you do not like and subscribe my channel, first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting new updates. So still you do not see this app pop it fridged twice 3D. So you can see by here, this is very amazing. You can fridge and you can use. So this is very amazing and fantastic to use. So we don't have time for waste. This is being loading. Accept. So guys, you are seeing on screen. So this is very good app and you can use. And you can change as well. So guys, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.